Nina Simone's legacy is what has put people like me on the map today. I have opportunities to do what I love, pursue my dream because of the work that she and many others like her put in. People don't know enough about what she's done. She was one of a kind in her songs and her melody and her presence.
She was able to get people to focus on her voice, to focus on the way she played the piano. There was a specific kind of poetics that she deployed as a musician, as an artist.
She made so many sacrifices of herself, of her career, of her livelihood because of what she believed in.
Nina Simone transcended the constraints placed on Black female performers in the mid-20th century to become the voice of the American Civil Rights Movement. Her legacy all started in Tryon, North Carolina.
Nina Simone's childhood home is the place where it all started. These are her roots, and to preserve her home is important in preserving her story.
When Adam and the three artist co-owners would purchase the house in 2017, we saw this as an example of arts, activism, and politics.
It's an authentic gesture that shows what artists can do when they act collectively. Everything around this project in relationship to Nina is about establishing and building community. And it starts with 4 people, 4 artists, then it expands to Venus Williams, and then it expands to other artists getting involved in preserving her home and her legacy. All of these kind of cross connections, and it's exciting. And I would even venture to say it's profound.
It's so appropriate that other artists are preserving her legacy. For African Americans that have left such a mark, we don't preserve the stories and the histories enough. So this is so crucial for Nina and her legacy, but also to pave the way for what we can do in the future for all those monumental moments and monumental figures.
The big dream is that the Nina Simone childhood home will be fully restored along with the cultural landscape, and that this will be a new and vibrant historic site. When a visitor will tour this historic site, they will be able to be inspired by the embodied culture within the historic building and this rare cultural landscape. So it is a place for youth, artists, scholars, and all Americans to learn about Nina Simone and her family history, to learn about this Black neighborhood and community in Tryon, North Carolina, to begin to appreciate the overlooked beauty of vernacular architecture that's so reflective of many Black heritage sites in the United States, and to begin to understand that they too, as ordinary citizens, can have extraordinary impacts in the world.
My whole life has kind of led to this moment. Growing up, I just had a dream to play tennis, and I had no idea where that would take me. To be able to be a part of something like this, to be able to be involved in the arts to this degree, something much past appreciation and something that is action. So this is really a dream come true for me, and hopefully this is just the start of ways that I can make an impact through art.